What's going on, everyone? I'm doing a 5 box break of 2015 Playbook Football. Okay, this is eBay, and tonight on the 6th November. These are the participants and the teams you guys won. Good luck to everybody. All right, there's 23 of you tonight. This year it's three cards per box. They added a numbered dual base card, a booklet, which I seen it and I'm not too crazy about it. It's kind of flimsy. I thought it was a thicker stock, but it's not. But good luck, guys. First box. Alright, we'll start off with the base card. This is out of 299. We got Matt Ryan and Julio Jones. It comes already in a penny sleeve, so I'll open it up for you. There it is. Like I said, it's just a thin, nothing special. We got a jumbo patch here for the Ravens. This is, can't see his name, Rashid Perriman. Alright, this is number, what's the numbering on this? Right here, 72 out of 99, if you can see it. 72 out of 99. And the booklet, actually this is 3 hits, so nice. This one here is for the Rams, is Sean Mannion. Autograph, one color. 57 out of 199. And for the Packers, Devontae Adams, 57 out of 99. Jumbo jersey, Devontae Adams, 57 out of 99 for Green Bay. As a reminder, guys, I will send something extra if you don't pull a card, so I always take care of people. Alright, we got for the Rams, Nick Foles and James Laurinaitis, 211 out of 299 base booklet. Alright, back in the penny sleeve. And jumbo patch here of draft edition, Danny Shelton's for the Browns. Round 1, pick number 12. 1 of 1. Huh, I didn't even catch it. Check it out. 1 of 1 of Danny Shelton. 101 Browns hit. I don't even see it there. And we got a Mike Davis for the Niners. Autograph. One color jersey. 127 out of 199. Alright, box number 3. Okay, we got Aaron Rodgers, Jordy Nelson, 293 out of 299. Booklet. For the Eagles, we've got auto Eric Rowe, 195 out of 199. And we got an army of Julio Jones, 9 out of 25. Nice, very nice. Check that out for the Falcons. Nice patches. Very cool. 9 out of 20, 8 out of 25, excuse me. 8 out of 25. Yep, 8 out of 25. Alright, hope we get some of the top rookies. Get at least one. We got Andrew Luck, T.Y. Hilton. 85 out of 299. All right, for the Cowboys, we got Terrence Williams, 34 out of 99. Autograph one color. I think this is part of the, what's it? Play worn. And the booklet is Carlos Williams for the Buffalo Bills. Jumbo patch. 58 out of 199. Alright guys, last box. Jamal Charles, Justin Houston, 199 out of 299. And we got 162 out of 199, Vic Beasley. And our booklet is David Johnson for the Arizona Cardinals, autograph, one color, 177 out of 199. And that's it. Not the greatest 5 boxes. We got that 101, and the Julio Jones was nice. I got another 5-boxer next week, ending on Wednesday. Thank you, Dodgers. And like I said, I'll send you guys something extra if you didn't pull a card. Obviously, the more teams you have, you'll get something extra. But I'll send something. And guys, thanks, Damon. Who did you have anyway? I'm not even sure which one are you. Oh, Ravens. Oh, you got a hit. Have a good night, guys.